kita. Mahal kita. Shout out to the homie, King Kenny Slay. Mahal kita. It is Valentine's Day today, so happy Valentine's Day. Happy Single Awareness Day. Happy Galentine's Day to all the galdems, you know what I'm saying? We about to check out XG left and right. It's gonna be a doozy. I mean, I already heard it.
There's a popcorn kernel stuck in my
No! Sometimes when you eat a popcorn, it do be getting stuck up there.
It do be getting stuck.
Up there!
Up there!
3, 2, 1, let's go. A spaceship.
We love the references. Love it.
Ooh! Okay! Ooh, that space vibe? Woo! Okay. On the flow, hey! I can't believe they made a music video for this. Ha! Swing. No drama. They looking so dope. They really are taking over. Hey. Let's go, Harvey. Hey, got that Star Trek vibe too, but making it modern.
Oh,
I saw the dance performance already. You already know. Spinning up and down, spinning round and round. Hey, hey. That's right. It has such a retro beat to it too. Retro vibe. Spinning round and round. Hey, hey. What we listening? Ooh, with her hair in the background. Ooh, serve it in the drink. Where?
They all look so good.
They look good, girl.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh.
Yes, man.
Okay, miss.
Okay, I see you. Okay.
Ah.
Ooh, love.
Oh,
Yeah.
good. Coconut. Ooh. Rap queen, nails on point. Where we going? Hey! Ooh! Oh my God! Hey, you better slay, Miss Mel. That's right. That's right. Ooh. Damn. Okay. Her hat. I want that. Come and get it. Ooh. If you down,
I'm down.
me too, girl. Who's verified? Down. If you down. Damn, the way they come in too? Chills. Let's ride. Ooh, okay. It's just a mother effing vibe, real talk.
Yes.
Ooh.
Oh, I love them.
They the new faves for real.
They bend the fave for me.
For instance, Tippy Toes.
Tippy Toes? Oh my gosh, that shit had me in a chokehold, let me tell you. They said church.
People been telling me, you've been telling me, like Left Right is that song. I'm like, for real. And they met Kalani.
I love Kehlani.
And I just love how they were like all super excited because that would be me or basically her if we met Kalani.
Kehlani could spit in my mouth and I'd say thank you.
Damn, that quote just threw me off. XG, you killing it. I'm pretty sure you're gonna straight be killing it the next time with a new album. You have a bias already, Jordan?
Yes. Hat, yes. Yeah, you got what I want. What you got? You got what?
Yo, this is giving me Jordan vibes. It's also giving me low-key GD vibes a bit.
She's
Left, right, get in my zone.
She's beautiful. She's always been. Yeah. Oh my gosh, those gloves.
Everything, like from the makeup to the hair.
Oh
Shit.
my god.
The Tamagotchi.
Oh my.
The Tamagotchis
Oh
as
my gosh,
a.
I did not see that before.
Don't need direction, no.
Left, right.
Woo!
Left, right.
You trying to learn it, huh? Ooh, let's go choreographer. Hey, future Hedgin and XG collab. But what I want to see first, Kalani and XG. A remix on this. Make it happen. It could be a remix, it could be another collaboration. Come on, let's go. Everybody was like talking about.
Those boots are giving that outfit.
The whole scene itself, matching every outfit.
Oh.
Alright, before we get super overwhelmed. Anyways, XG's left, right. I haven't posted a shooting star reaction yet. I haven't yet, but if you guys really want to see that, tell me in the comments down below. Like that video, you already know. Hedgin.
Yes.
Dre.
Did you know that Stacey
Came out with a new.
Yeah.
No, I haven't checked it out yet, so I might have to check it out. Maybe on Twitch. XG, I can't wait for more. Let's do a collab. Why not? Hit me up. Hit my line. You know my DM.
Anyone that wants to collab, hit his line.
You know?
You know?
You know?
You know?
You know?
You know? You know?
Mahal kita.
Mahal kita, everyone.
Mahal kita,
I love
everyone.
You. Thank you for your support.
Of
I love
course.
You. I love you all.
And yeah, see you guys till next time. Bye bye.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.